Hello everyone, Valentine's is exactly 1 week away. So here I am with a few ideas for different kinds of couples. For those who have been dating for less than 1 year, for those who have been dating for more than 1 year, and for our long distance lovebirds. So without wasting any time, let's start with those who have been dating for less than 1 year. Valentine's Day for new couples may feel overwhelming because your feelings are very new and you're not sure where your relationship is headed. Therefore, I have 3 ideas which keep it simple and pressure free. The first idea is to go for a classic Valentine's date or dinner. This idea is totally foolproof. You just have to pick up a place which has good ambience, good music, and good food. This is one of the easiest things to do. This is a great way to get to know each other better and spend some quality time. Guys, it will be amazing if you can carry some flowers, and girls, we could always dress up a little. The second question on everybody's mind is, should we give a gift or not? So I have a simple suggestion here. If you guys have been dating for less than 6 months, just have a no gift policy. And if it's been over 6 months, then there's a fun and romantic activity that you can do together. Decide on a budget and find each other gifts in that. This will show how much you guys have known each other and also be a face-off as to who can come up with better gifts. Just wanted to remind you that 14th February is a Sunday, so you can also make an afternoon plan, go for sightseeing, some historic places and great parks, followed by picture clicking and a lunch. Isn't that just amazing? Now let's go to our second types. These are the people who have already been on a few dates and shown their best sides to one another in the 1 year they've been together. But you know what actually counts after a while? What counts and shows and keeps the relationship strong are the efforts. So with this in mind, I have 3 ideas for you guys as well. The first idea is to replace the classic date with a self-prepared meal. The idea here is that both people cook something for each other from scratch, and the one who cooks better actually wins this. Even though it is not a competition, but well, it is. It's a good way to keep things fun, put in efforts and make an impact. The second is to replace gifts with self-made cards. There is nothing which comes relatively close to the warmth and beauty of a self-written letter, gift, card. There is no day when this will not melt the heart of the other. It's unique and completely special. So I am a huge fan of this particular idea. It doesn't matter whether you're creative or not, just put some pictures up together, make a collage and show them how much you care and love. Finally, let's not forget it's a lazy Sunday day. Why not just ditch all the effort, pressure and just go for a movie or a lunch or a long drive? Celebrating a lazy day is a great testimonial to your relationship. It just says you guys are really comfortable together and happy with each other. You don't need to feel the need to get more and more from the relationship. Rather, you are ready to just let it be. Finally guys, don't let distance be a problem when it comes to relationships and the celebration of this beautiful Valentine's Day. Spread the love and the joy through all means possible. The first idea I have for you guys is that you can organize a virtual movie night, and that is just amazing. The best thing you can do is just switch on your laptop, go to Netflix, both of you, and put it on while seeing each other on video camera. Sharing this experience together will be amazing and it will be worth it. The second idea is to definitely give a gift. In long distance, you are not physically present with each other. Therefore, this kind of physical presence via the medium of a gift can be really helpful. Here I want to come back to the same idea I gave initially, which is that both of you decide on a budget and gift each other something. Today we have e-commerce, we have all kinds of gifts which we can give each other. The third idea is my favorite, and that is to have a games night, plus the loser has to participate in truth or dare. There are many virtual games which I've been exploring. To name a few, there is Ludo, Uno, poker, chess, constructing words. There are many fun games which both of you can play online. So guys, I hope you like my ideas. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Spread the love, spread the joy, and be graceful. Thank you everyone for watching.